welcome back to my channel, Stephanie623. My name is Stephanie for you noob subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, you should totally subscribe right now. In today's video, I'm bringing you another unboxing, but this unboxing is probably not a known unboxing. Is not one of your regular well, it is probably your regular subscriptions. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this. I recently did, and I had to subscribe. So yes, it's makeup. So let's see what I have gotten for you guys today. And this is called GlowAddict. Here's my package, and it's called GlowAddict. I actually got the bag one, and it was a lot cheaper than the box. So yeah, I don't know what I got. It doesn't tell me. It's like BoxyCharm kind of, but in a bag. There's also a box, but it's more expensive. And this baggie was like $13.99 and plus shipping. I don't know, but it came out to be like 17, 16. I don't remember. But yeah, well, let's get to the video and start unboxing this. Well, now I'm gonna open this bag up. Okay, got it open. Now let's take it out. Well, everything I got is in this baggie. It's actually it's a really, I don't know how to explain the bag, but it's like plastic. I don't know how to explain. Oh my gosh, the bubbles inside their hearts. I never seen that in my life. I love this bubble wrap. I've never seen that before. That's so cool. Well, so far it's a nice baggie, and it's like a blue, or I don't know if it's the bubble wrap, but let's open this baby up. Oh, that's part of the bag, you guys. What? I thought it was like in the inside, like, what? I did not know that. That's so cool. That's why it's like all hearted. That's cute. And by the way, these products, they're supposed to be full-size products. So for $13.99, I think it's good. I think it's really good. And I think it gives you like 3 to 6. I'm not sure. I'll put it up here somewhere. But yeah, 3 to 6 full-size products for $13.99 plus the shipping. They charge you shipping, like I think they charge you like $3 or $4 for shipping. So yeah. The first thing I'm taking out is this Sonia Kashuk. I think it's let's see what it is. Twist Up Longwear Gel Liner by Sonia Kashuk. And it's in the shade Black Diamond, so that's how it looks, the packaging. It's by Sonia Kashuk. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but please let me know down in the comments below if you guys know how to pronounce, or if I'm pronouncing
6.5 hours later.
Pronouncing the word right. Let's open this up and see what it brings to us today. If it's a good shade, if it's not a good shade. I'm ripping it up. They really secured this really good. Oh, it actually has a thing, but oh my gosh, I don't do well with unboxing things. Okay, let's not break this. Let's try this out. How do I try this? Ooh, it's actually very nice, very creamy. It's a really nice shade. I don't know if it's my hands that have glitter because I was doing another video, but yeah, I think it's my hand that has glitter, but it looks like that. Oh my gosh, I know it's so glittery, but I think it's my hand. I was doing another video before this one, so yeah, there's that. Why does it look so yellow in here? Or is it just me? I don't know. Let me know. I don't know, but yeah, this is it's a black diamond twist up longwear gel. Oh, so I think it twisted.
Wait. It twisted. Is that even a word? Like, excuse me, can you even speak? Now back to the video.
Okay, it comes out like this. And I just lost the top somewhere. I don't know, I'll have to look for it now after this video. So the next thing I'm taking out is this. Is from Naked Cosmetics. I don't know, I think it's a little palette. I don't know what it is. Let's open it up. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm not good at unboxing things. I think it's like a little palette, I'm not sure. It's by Naked Cosmetics. It looks like that. This little palette. So let's open. Ooh. Eyeshadow. It is a little eyeshadow palette. Comes with a little mirror. The shades are right there. It's really, really nice. The little plastic. Yeah. But it's very nice. It's like a green, orangey, or I don't know, like a dark orange and a green.
Sorry you guys for interrupting the video. I just realized while I was editing that I said green twice, and instead of saying the third color, which was like a violet color, and I just got really distracted by the orange. And I'm sure you guys noticed it, but I just wanted to correct myself. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video.
I'll be testing these out for you guys. And well, let's see. Here's that one, and that. There you go. Maybe y'all can tell. This one's like more these two are more pigmented than the green one though. Green one is like not showing up very well. But these two are very pigmented. They're really nice. And they're a little shimmery too. They have a little shimmer to them. Very nice. Next thing I'm about to take out is this high definition finishing powder by Naked Cosmetics as well. Looks like this. Very nice. My hands are shaky, sorry. And let's open this up. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. It's a powder, sorry you guys. I don't know if you guys can actually test powders out. I don't know. I know what I'm doing. I'm not a makeup guru or makeup artist to know what I should be swatching or whatever. The next thing I'll be taking out of this bag is this Ruby May Cosmetics Cream Concealer and Contouring Palette. It's in this packaging. This packaging, Ruby May. Never heard of that brand, but we'll see. Ooh, it's a really nice palette. It's a concealer and a contouring palette. really nice. Oh, I like the box, the packaging. It's like very nice. I like this kind of, so fancy, kind of. These are the colors. But yeah, I probably won't be swatching these. I don't know if I'll be using these because they're like a creamy kind of contouring. I don't really like using this creamy type of contouring bronzers or whatever. So yeah, but it's very nice. And let's put that aside. And there is one last thing in here. It's a lip and cheek velvet stick, and it's in the color Naughty. So it could be used as a blush and as a lipstick. I don't know. Never heard of it. Never heard of something like this. But it's like this. Oh yeah, it's like a lipstick kind of. Looks like this first. Let me show you, and then I'm gonna open it up. And I'm gonna test it out on my hand. Okay. It's like that. It's like very creamy. It's like a kind of like a pink. You can't really tell. See my veins. But it's like that. It says multitasking, high definition, crease proof, long lasting matte finish. And that's nice. That's very nice. I don't know if I'll be using it. I don't know. Maybe not my cheeks, but my lips. Yeah. Okay, and that was the last thing on my baggie. But look at the bag. Look at the wrap. The bubble wrap. And it's actually like not even inside, it's like between. But that's pretty cool. And I got 5 products. 5 products in this baggie from the GlowAddict. And if you guys want to try it out, I'll leave their website down below so you guys could try it out. I don't know. So I recommend, I don't know yet because it's my first bag. So I don't know, I have to keep on trying them out. But yeah, with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video up. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for your support. Those who watch me and those who don't, well, it's your loss, I guess. I don't know. You guys should totally watch me. I don't know. I like doing videos. I enjoy doing videos, and if you guys have any suggestions or any advice that you guys could give me for my future videos, or any ideas that you guys want me to do on my channel, you guys should totally tell me down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!